Let's be practical. If you are building an MVP, you are not building a final product. You are testing an idea. So tell me this, why would you pay to build the same app twice, once for Android and again for iOS, when you don't even know if users want it? That's exactly why nearly 70% of startups start with hybrid apps. Build once, launch first. Smart use of time, smart use of money. Hey, I'm Ananya Banerjee, co-founder of Sunyam Software. I work with founders to turn ideas into real apps. Let's simplify this. At the MVP stage, everything comes down to just 3 things: speed, money, and proof. Nothing else really matters in the beginning. Let's start with speed, because time is the one thing you never get back. If you go fully native from day one, you will face this reality. 2 teams, 2 code bases, 2 versions of the same problems. You build a feature for Android, then rebuild the same thing for iOS. Different language, different setup, different maintenance. And for every update, you need to go through the entire process separately for both platforms, Android and iOS. With hybrid apps, it's very different. You are not writing everything twice. You reuse most of the core logic, business rules, APIs, user flows, even UI structure. Using frameworks like Flutter or React Native, you can launch faster with one shared code base on both the Play Store and the App Store. And while someone else is still finishing their second native app, you already have users, installs, and real feedback. The speed alone puts you ahead of most founders. Now let's talk about money, because budget always matters. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about making a smart technical choice. With native, Android and iOS require different skill sets. That means more developers, higher costs, and more coordination. With hybrid, you work with one team, not 2. Testing, updates, bug fixes, everything becomes easier to manage. And the money you save, use it where it actually matters, like marketing to get users and improvements based on real feedback, until your product reaches true product market fit. Now let's talk about the most important part, proof. At the MVP stage, you are not trying to build something perfect. You are trying to answer just one question. Do people actually want this? Hybrid helps you find that answer faster, without burning years of time or money. If users love it, great. You scale with confidence. If something doesn't work, you pivot and you do it without regret. This approach isn't new or risky. Facebook ran on hybrid tech for years while scaling. Spotify used shared code to move fast. X leaned heavily on hybrid and web-based solutions early on. Even Airbnb used hybrid strategies while figuring things out. They didn't start with perfect native apps. They started with speed, learning, and momentum. Now I know the question. Do hybrid apps feel slow in real use? That was true 5 years ago, not today. React Native uses native components. Flutter complies directly to native code. For most apps, social, delivery, fitness, SaaS, users don't find any difference. What they care about is simple. Does it work? Is it smooth? Does it solve their problem? Hybrid can absolutely deliver that. Should you stay hybrid forever? Not necessarily. If one day your app grows massive with deep hardware needs and huge scale, you can always go more native later. That's actually a good problem to have. It means people are using your app. It means your idea worked. Right now, you don't need perfection. You need momentum. You need to launch, learn from real users, and move forward step by step. So now it's your turn. If you have a burning idea and you want to bring it to life, reach out to me. We guide founders every step of the way from idea to launch. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I share practical tips to help founders build smarter, faster, and better apps. See you in the next video. Bye.